In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make a lot of money online. I'm going to introduce to you to this site which will help you to make a lot of money online. This site I am going to introduce to you is just like YouTube, but there is a little difference between this site and YouTube. This site, what you have to do is that you just go there, you sign up for this site, and then you register, you verify your account, and you start uploading videos there. You don't need to meet any threshold, subscriber threshold, and watch hours threshold. No, all what you have to do is that just go to the site, register, upload video. The moment that you upload the video, your video is going to be monetized and you are going to get revenue from it every day. It's one of the best way that you can make money online. And bear you, this site is mostly patronized by US and the Canadians, so making a lot of money from these places is one of the best way. If you're in Africa like me, if you're in Ghana, you can take this opportunity and make videos. And it is not all that necessarily that you have to make your own video. You can go to TikTok, you can go to Google, just search funny videos and just upload it there, and you'll be getting more money from this site. Yes, so without wasting much of our time, I'll be taking you through my phone and I'll be showing you step by step everything that you need to know about this site. But before we go on, you just need this book. This is the ebook that I have come out with, Money Hacks. You need this book in order to learn how to make money online. So I've pinned the link of the book in the description box, and I'll also pin it in the comment box. You can also go there, tap on it, get one copy, and learn how to make money online. So without wasting much of your time, let's start. Talking about the site is called rumble.com. So I'll pin the link in the description box so you can click on that to register. So you just on your first this is what you're going to see. You see sign in and then sign up. So I've already created an account, but for the purpose, let me try to sign up. Okay, let me sign up for you guys to see how the process is like. So register with Rumble. You can sign up for free publisher or and business account. So we are going to use for free account. So free, so subscribe, upload, and monetize. So you just get upload your video and the video is going to be monetized. So here you just need your name. You enter your name there, and here you have to choose a user. Okay, that is user. So you can type any name there, and then you go to password. You retype your password, email address, and you enter your country. If you're in Ghana, any part of the world that you are, then if you got a referral code, you can, it is optional, so you can leave it like that. You provide your address, your city, your province, and then the state. Okay, the postal code, your phone number. Please, you have to provide accurate information. Okay, because this site is a legit site, so just provide accurate information. After that, you just hit on register to register. Okay, so when you hit on register, a mail will be sent to your email that you provided. So you just go there and you click on that to activate the account. Okay, so when you activate the account, this is what you are going to see. This is my account. Yes, I have just uploaded a video, so I'm waiting just now. So I'll also do another video to show you my earnings in the next month. Okay, so this is how the apps look like. So after you have registered, you just have to come to this side. So that is your profile. So account overview, you come to start and earnings. So you're going to see your earnings here, but before you can see your earnings, your statistics and earnings analytics like this, you have to verify your phone number. So when you click there, they will ask you to provide your phone number. So you just provide your phone number, you activate it, and you'll be able to see this one. So after doing that, all what you have to need is that you just have to come and upload a video. So you see this sign, plus sign with the camera there, and then you hit on that. You click on upload video. Okay, you just click on here, to upload a video. So here you just tap here and then it will take you to your files. You choose a video, you add your title, you add your description, you create a nice thumbnail from the video, you choose the video to be public, and then you just upload the video there. This is a legit platform. It's just like YouTube, and you can make a lot of money from this. Some people ask you, how am I going to get my pay? So you just go to account overview now. Okay, just scroll down, go, and you see, yes, payment details. I hope you can see, this is it, payment details. We have PayPal. When you click on that, we have PayPal, and then check. So it doesn't matter where you are, you can get your money through check. If you don't have PayPal account, you can use check. Okay, without wasting much of your time, please don't forget to get a copy of the ebook so that you can get more information. See you.